In the heart of Al-Andalus, a shining star emerged. His name was Abbas Ibn Firnas. He was born in Ronda, Spain in the year 810 AD. Ibn Firnas was a man of boundless curiosity and an unquenchable thirst for knowledge. He dedicated his life to unraveling the mysteries of the universe. He dared to dream and to push the boundaries of human ingenuity. His legacy continues to inspire, a testament to the power of human curiosity. Ibn Firnas's story is a beacon. It illuminates the path of scientific exploration and innovation. His life reminds us we are capable of amazing things. Ibn Firnas excelled in various disciplines. He was a polymath, a master of many trades. His expertise spanned astronomy, mathematics, engineering, and poetry. He was fascinated by the cosmos. He spent countless nights observing the stars. He built a complex astronomical instrument. It was a planetarium that simulated the movements of celestial bodies. This invention, a marvel of its time, demonstrated his deep understanding of astronomy. It showcased his ability to translate complex scientific principles into tangible models. Ibn Firnas's ingenuity was not confined to astronomy. He made significant contributions to engineering. He designed a water clock called al-Maqata. It was a precise timekeeping device that further cemented his reputation as a visionary. He delved into the world of optics. He experimented with glass-making techniques. His work laid the foundation for the development of lenses and eyeglasses. Ibn Firnas's contributions to optics had a lasting impact on our ability to see and understand the world around us. His exploration of optics reveals his relentless pursuit of knowledge. He sought to unravel the secrets of light and vision. His work continues to influence the field of optics today. Perhaps his most daring feat was his attempt at controlled flight. Inspired by the flight of birds, Ibn Firnas constructed a glider. Using silk and feathers, he crafted wings that mimicked the structure of bird wings. He tested his glider by leaping from a height. He achieved a sustained glide for a significant distance. This audacious attempt, centuries before the Wright brothers, solidified his place in history as a pioneer of aviation. Ibn Firnas's legacy extends far beyond his inventions. He embodies the spirit of scientific inquiry. He is a testament to the power of human curiosity and the importance of pushing the boundaries of knowledge. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe.